Spring colds got you down? Are your muscles all achy and sore? Well, how about taking a soak in the tub? And what better way to soak in the tub for your muscles than to use Menthol Eucalyptus bath salts? Not only will your muscles appreciate soaking in the tub, but with the Menthol Eucalyptus scent, it will help clear out your sinuses. If you'd like to learn how to make this yourself, please continue watching. Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations. Hello friends. Today I'm going to do a quick DIY eucalyptus menthol bath salts. This is the time of year where we get our spring colds. So what better way to feel better than to soak in a bathtub with menthol and eucalyptus. So let's get started, shall we? Now the first thing that we're going to need is 1/2 cup Himalayan coarse salt. 1/2 cup. The next thing we're going to need is 3/4 cup of Dead Sea salt. This is a very easy recipe that only takes just a few minutes. Three-fourths cup Dead Sea salt. Then we're going to take 3/4 cups of Epsom salt. And we'll go ahead and get that all mixed up. Now the 3 ingredients that I've just listed here, you can do any bath salts that you would like with any essential oils that you want. But this is what you always want to start out with. This is the perfect bath salt base. So I'm going to take the eucalyptus essential oil and add 10 drops. And 15 drops of menthol. Oh, I can already smell that menthol cleaning out my sinuses. And then you want to go ahead and mix it all up. I was thinking I might have to add a little bit more menthol, but as I stir it up, I can smell it really well, so I'm going to go ahead and just stick with the 15 drops. And that's what you need to do, you know, as strong as you want it. Just smell it. You can always add more. And then you're going to go ahead and take a jar. Always want to use a glass jar anytime you use essential oils. And then just stick this in here. And then you want to use a silica gel pack to put in there to absorb all the moisture. And there you have it. So this made 2 8-ounce jars of the menthol eucalyptus bath salts. Keep one for yourself, give the other one to a friend. And speaking of giving one away, if you have a neighbor or a relative that's not feeling well, you can make them up a gift basket. Give them the bath salts in a basket with Kleenex and cough drops or something like that. They would appreciate it. I appreciate all of my viewers and subscribers. If you like my video and haven't subscribed, please do so and hit the bell so you can get notices of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.